Customers. In this quick lecture, I will show you how you manage your customers in Shopify. Once we are there, you see a customer that I've created. And I want to click on it and we will see what happens. Okay, we'll wait. Here you see his default address and you see his contact information and you will see here his recent orders. So that's great, that's really useful. So you can see his orders, what he bought, and all the information. And right over here, by the customer's dashboard, I will click on new, and there will appear the new customers. They will appear here, right over here, and the returning customers will appear here. Checkouts will appear there. So yeah. And email subscribers, you have also email subscribers. You can manage it right over there. And from your country, you can manage it right over here. So when I go back to all, yeah. Okay, now you know how you manage your customers. And I'm happy that you're my student. I'm happy that you're watching my lectures. And I want to thank you for watching. And I will see you in my next lecture.